Hello kids, welcome to Sheng Lessons. How are you today? Today we are going to learn new objects and their final sound. Are you ready? Good, let's go. First object. B. S. B. S. What is the final sound, kid? Correct! It's S for bus. R. K. G. R. K. G. What is the final sound, kid? Alright, it's R for car. This one, D. L. K. D. L. K. What is the final sound for this object? Right, it's L for ball. Next object. Oh, it's a human being. Ya, ba, wa. Ya, ba, wa. What is the final sound, kid? Correct, it's ya for boy. The boy is running. Wa, ba, k. Wa, ba, k. What is the final sound, kid? Right, it's wa for cow. Moo. This one. S. K. S. K. What is the final sound, kid? Correct! It's K for chick. This one. Wa. Oh. Wa. Oh. What is the final sound, kid? Correct! It's for wolf. Oh. This one. T. K. X. T. K. X. What is the final sound, kid? Right, it's T for kit. A medicine kit. This one. X. S. X. S. What is the final sound, kid? Right, it's X for fox. Next. What is the final sound, kid? Correct, it's B for bulb. The bulb emits light. G. D. Ya. G. D. Ya. What is the final sound, kid? It's a man's best friend. Correct, it's G for dog. Woof, woof. This one. S. X. K. S. X. K. Sounds tricky. Right, it's X for 6, a number 6. Next, P, G, P, G, What is the final sound, kid? Correct! It's G for pig. Oink, oink, oink. This one. T, S, T, S. What is the final sound for this object? Right! It's T for hat. With propeller hat. K, K, P, K, K, P. It's so tricky here. What's the answer? Right, it's P for cup. A teacup. Wow, it's a flying object. D, D, What is the final sound of this flying object? Right, it's for drone. Yeah, it's a drone. D, D. What is the final sound for this animal? Right, it's for deer. This one. T, B, T, B. What is the final sound, kid? All right, it's T for mat. It's a doormat. This one. D, D. What is the final sound, kid? Yeah, it's D for hand. Our hand. How about this one? D, G, D, G. What is the final sound for this object? Right, it's for jar. A classic jar. S, T, S, T. What is the final sound, kid? It's the brightest among the stars in the sky. Yeah, it's for sun. The sun is hot. This one. S, T, B, S, T, B. What is the final sound, kid? Where is the boy? Yeah, it's B for tub. The boy is in the tub. Whoa. T, S, T, S. What is this, kid? What's the final sound? Right, it's for star. A star is so shiny. This one. T, E, T, E. What is this? Right, it's E for bee. Psst, 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 psst. This one. T, B, V. What is the final sound, kid? It can float in the ocean. Yeah, it's t for boat, a sailboat. Very good, kids. You did great today. I hope you have learned a lot. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. Bye-bye.